Hello all, welcome to the video one more time. And yeah, this time we will be doing the node port expose with the kubectl deployment. So what we will be going to deploy is we will be going to deploy a simple nginx web server, and then we can expose this to a simple port, and that port will be 31,000 most probably, right? So let's go ahead and do that. So first prerequisite will be you will be requiring a Kubernetes cluster. So I will be pasting all the commands in the chat. So feel free to take a look at that part as well, right? So once the cluster is created, so let me show the cluster configuration. This is how the cluster configuration should be looking like. So kubectl get pods, get nodes, and the number of nodes that which I have created is 2. Okay, so we can move forward with the thing, right? So what I will be doing is that we will be creating a simple deployment.yaml file, and underneath the deployment.yaml file we will be pasting the content, and this content is actually the content for our nginx server, and the number of replicas that what we are going to create is 2. Okay, so let us come out from that. Then again, the simple formatting is that I will be applying the deploy file. Okay, so it will be coming as replica set created, and now again I will be creating a NodePort YAML file in order to get the better configuration. So this is the NodePort exposure thing. So let me paste that. So yeah, come out from here, cat. Yep. So this is the API v1 service metadata and the label nginx, and the type which what we are going to select is called as NodePort, and on the port number we are going to expose this is 3000 is 31,000, right? And what we will be doing now is we will be going to just simply apply that thing, right? So let me go ahead and do that. So kubectl apply -f nodeport.yaml. So kubectl get pods, kubectl service, and the name of the service that what we selected is my service, right? So now what we will be doing is that we will be going to describe the my service thing. So kubectl describe svc my service, and we are going to hit enter, and this is what we have got, right? So now what we will be going to do is that we are going to kubectl get svc, and it is now exposed to this one 3100, right? So now what we will be doing is that kubectl get nodes, and 2 nodes are ready. So this is the DNS, right? So again what I will be going to do is that now I will be going to 1 second. So let's go to AWS management console here. I will go to EC2. I will be going to click on the running instances, right? And I will select the first one. I'll just open the address. Copy the address, removing the HTTP and concatenate 3000 31 123 right? Yeah, that's all. So this is the address that what is the ping is going to be like. Let's wait for some time. Let's try with the DNS, public DNS. Okay. Okay, so 31,000, right? So let's do one thing. I will be going to the security group and let's check how it's going to look like, right? So let's go to the security group and on the inbound rule, let's go to edit the inbound rule and make it as add inbound rule, all traffic, and let's make it anywhere IPv4 and do the changes. Yep, now it came, right? Nginx deployment. Yeah. Yep, so Nginx replica set, yeah. So that was again to the things. Yeah, now it also came, right? Cool. So if I'm going to curl it with 3100 and to any of the worker nodes, typically I will be always selecting as 1. That's the first instance, that is number of worker nodes is 1, right? So that's all. Alright, so I hope you all have enjoyed the video and that is how it's going to look like. And yeah, that's all. Thank you for again seeing this video and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you all.